Next up, Koschei Surveillance for Crown. In this, we need to plant a tactical camera in the airlock at the Mazrah City bunker entrance, then plant a tactical camera in the airlock at the Taraq bunker entrance, and finally, once again, at the Rohan Oil bunker entrance. Pretty simple. Head to your active duty and make sure that your field upgrade is a tactical camera, which should be the first item on the list. And there we go, we found an extra tactical camera. That should be good to help us finish this mission. And there's a third tactical camera, so we could quite literally finish this whole mission in one go if we were lucky. Okay, so coming to the first entrance with our tactical cameras on us. All the way over here, it's the question mark in Mazrah City. Super easy to find. We essentially need to go to where this underground parking garage is here. Head down into it. To the right is the entrance to the Koschei bunker. We'll head in here, down the stairs, and over here we have the entrance to the bunker. So all we have to do is hit the camera button and place it in the room here. Just like that, in a moment, we should have the first bit done. Sweet. Now we can equip our other camera, should you have more, and we'll go to the Taraq village entrance, which is all the way over here in the far north of the town. It's also the question mark here. The final one will be at Rohan Oil and is the question mark there as well. Checking little toolboxes is what you should do, because that's where you'll find these tactical cameras. So we'll hop up onto the road here and start finding our way around. Alright, so at this one all the way here north of Mazrah City, we'll need to head across to it, as it's basically just underneath this section here, where the bridge is, just underneath it. Over here is when we'll go down and hopefully find another camera on our way in. No, anyway, we'll place our camera over here. Plonk, just like that. That should be number 2 done. There we go. The final one will be at Rohan Oil, but unfortunately I don't have another camera on me. Maybe we can find one there? Probably not though. There we go, another tactical camera. Perfect. Now, finally, we'll head to the Rohan Oil question mark here and place our final camera in the bunker there to complete this mission. Sweet. So approaching the entrance here, we'll need to get down and in this last room here, we'll go ahead and place the tactical camera here. And there we go, we've now finished the mission. So that's really it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.